Hello friends and welcome to my channel. I want to update you of my gold trades. Now we see these two trades are in $45 profits. Okay. Now you see our market is coming up and down and down and down. And I am in the trade. Here I did not got out, did not take profit here, did not close my position, did not close my position, did not close my position. Still I am not going to close my position. Okay. Why? Because the trend is bearish and my TP is down at this level. Okay. Now I wanted to share with you an idea about forex market. We have heard that there is a manipulation. I don't believe in forex manipulation. About stocks, I don't know. Indices whatsoever, I don't know. About forex in currencies and in gold, there is no manipulation. Now you see the trend is bearish. Anyone who will buy in a gold in a bearish trend, he will lose. Now you see my account is small account 100 USD and I am in sell, and these positions are open from 16th of August and today it is 20th August. No one is going to take my money. We are all market makers. Gold is gold, and it's what is its price? We humans perceive a price, that is the price of the gold. Am I a market maker? Am I hitting stop losses on 100 USDs? No. When we trade against the trend, we lose. This is so simple. This is quite simple. If there's no one market maker to manipulate, you are market maker, I am market maker. You see, with just 100 USD, I am in the trade as a market maker. This is the profit, $43. I'm not taking it. If anyway my account becomes is lost, I will share with you what happens. I don't know what will happen, but I'm confident that the market is bearish and there's no one to manipulate it. No one can take my these $100. If the market goes against me, we all the market makers, we all the humans decide that the market, the low gold is undervalued, and they perceive it at a higher level. No doubt, my account will be lost of $100. But when we all the humans, we all the market makers are agreed upon that this is bear market. Why? Because the conditions of the market have changed now. It was COVID that due to which risk factor gold went so high after the vaccinations, and uh, this is bear market. So let's see what happens with my this account. And please let me know, am I a market maker? Are you a market maker? Who is market maker? Please watch my video complete and then comment on it, like it, share it, and give me some feedback. Please subscribe my channel, like it and share it. Thanks for watching.